Hi, this is Brenna from Colton RV and Marine. I'm here to show you our 2022 Primetime Crusader 33BH. So this fifth wheel bunkhouse is perfect for your family at a weight under 9,200 pounds dry weight, and the total length, including hitch, is right under 37 feet. Let's take a look at it. So the first thing I want to show you is this wonderful awning. You've got a huge space here to put your outdoor patio furniture or picnic tables, whatever you want there. Of course, you have a nice storage area here, as well as solid steps to get in your camper with the nice large grab handle. We also have dual axles with aluminum wheels and a tire pressure monitoring system, so you can keep track on the pressure of your tires on the road, keep your family safe. We also have a really cool outdoor kitchen. Keep all your beverages outside, cook your breakfast in the morning while looking at the nature at your campsite. If we come around to the back, we do have backup camera prep on this camper, along with a fully walkable roof and access ladder. Another feature I really like about this Crusader is the second door that goes directly into the bunk room. And there is a half bath back there for the bunk room. We'll take a look at that when we get inside. Here's where you're going to plug in your power supply, which is a 50 amp service. That's because we got a second AC in the bedroom. We'll see that later. Here is access to fix your refrigerator, access to fix your hot water heater. Here you're going to have your city water connection to hook up at the campsite. If you want to fill up your water tank, this is where you would fill it. And you have an outdoor shower right here. Let's go inside. Okay, now we're inside the Primetime Crusader 33BH, and as you can see, this is the main living area. First thing you're going to notice is the nice tall ceilings and the light decor. Primetime really did a good job with the interior decor. We do have the nice big U-shaped table. Obviously, that also turns into a bed. We have storage underneath the benches as well. If you come over this way, you'll see it has a really cool light, accent lighting underneath the TV. More storage as well underneath. And then if you come over here, this bed not only turns into, or this couch not only turns into a bed, but it is a full sofa bed, not a trifold like many of them have. It's pretty cool. We also have over here a propane electric fridge, so you can run your fridge not only when you're plugged in, but also off of propane. Over here on the stove, I want to point out a safety feature that is really nice. If you accidentally leave one of these on, it's going to turn red. And so therefore you'll know before you get dizzy that you need to come over and fix that. Nice big stainless steel sink in the kitchen with a little kitchen island as well. Beautiful coffee nook over here. You can plug in any of your appliances and cabinets. Let's take a look at the bunk room. All right, and in the bunk room, here is that second door that I showed you on the outside that gives you access to the bunk room. We have nice storage in the bunk room as well as double bunks. There's storage underneath the second bunk as well. And like I told you, there is a second bathroom complete with a sink and toilet. All right, as we go towards the front of the Crusader, we're going to find the master bedroom, which is upstairs, along with the master bath. Here in the master bath, we do have a full shower, which you can see gives you a skylight and plenty of headroom, sink, storage on the side, as well as, of course, a toilet. Coming into the master bedroom, we do have a true size queen. You have storage on both sides and above. You have outlets and USB ports on both sides of the bed. You do have also large storage underneath the bed with hydraulic lifts that makes it really easy to load your things in and out. If we come over here, we have nice closet space, wardrobes for you to hang all your items. Don't forget about that second air conditioner. It's going to keep you nice and cool in here on those hot summer nights. Thank you so much for touring the Primetime Crusader 33BH with me today. Once again, my name is Brenna from Colton RV and Marine. If you want to give us a call, our number is 716-694-0188. If you want to reach me directly, my extension is 473. Hope to hear from you guys soon. Have a great day.